Many people view debt as a scary monster. It can feel overwhelming and burdensome. However, the wealthy understand that debt can be a powerful tool. They use it strategically to build wealth. This is the secret that can unlock financial freedom. Are you ready to master the secret? This video will guide you on how to use debt to your advantage.
Understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt is crucial. This knowledge can significantly impact your financial health and future. Good debt helps you build wealth. It's an investment in your future, often leading to financial growth and stability. Bad debt, on the other hand, keeps you trapped in a cycle of payments. It can be overwhelming and detrimental to your financial well-being. Let's look at an example. Imagine taking out a mortgage to buy a rental property. This is considered good debt because it's an investment. The property generates rental income, which can be a steady source of revenue. This income covers your mortgage payments and puts money in your pocket. Over time, the property may also appreciate in value. You're using debt to create a passive income stream, which can provide financial freedom and security. Bad debt, on the other hand, is used for things that lose value quickly. These are often non-essential items that don't contribute to your financial growth. Think about credit card debt for unnecessary purchases. These items often depreciate in value and don't provide any return on investment. These purchases don't generate income. Instead, they drain your finances with high interest rates and ongoing payments. This can lead to a stressful financial situation where you're constantly trying to catch up. Always ask yourself, will this purchase make me money? Is it a necessity or just a want? If the answer is no, it's probably bad debt. Making mindful decisions about debt can lead to a healthier financial future.
The wealthy are meticulous about managing debt. They understand that not all debt is created equal and focus on distinguishing between good debt, which can generate income or appreciate in value, and bad debt, which can drain resources. They prioritize minimizing bad debt, such as high-interest credit card balances and unnecessary loans, to maintain financial health. Creating a cash flow statement is essential. This document provides a clear picture of your financial situation by detailing all sources of income and all expenses. This statement tracks all income and expenses, helping you to see exactly where your money is coming from and where it is going. It helps you understand where your money is going, allowing you to make informed decisions about your spending and saving habits. It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for. I often say, this underscores the importance of not just earning, but also preserving and growing your wealth. This quote highlights the importance of managing your cash flow effectively. Proper cash flow management ensures that you have enough liquidity to meet your obligations and invest in opportunities. Control your money, or it will control you. By taking charge of your finances, you can avoid the stress and uncertainty that comes with financial mismanagement. By analyzing your cash flow statement, you can identify areas to reduce expenses and free up cash. This process helps you to pinpoint unnecessary expenditures and redirect funds towards more productive uses. This extra cash flow can be used to pay down bad debt faster, reducing the amount of interest you pay over time and improving your overall financial health. It can also be invested in assets that generate income, such as stocks, real estate, or other investment opportunities, helping you to build wealth over the long term.
Investing in your future, education, and skills is good debt. Investing in yourself is crucial. Education and skills development can be considered good debt. They increase your earning potential in the long run. Think of it this way. If you acquire a new skill that helps you earn a promotion or start a successful business, wasn't that investment worth it? Even if you took on some debt to achieve that, the increased income will more than compensate for it. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you learn and grow, the more opportunities will become available to you. Never stop investing in yourself.
Practical tips for utilizing good debt. Start small. When you're just beginning, it's crucial to take baby steps. Don't jump into large investments right away. It's tempting to go big, but starting small allows you to learn and adapt without overwhelming risk. Begin with a small loan for a business idea or to learn a new skill. This way you can test the waters and see what works best for you. As you gain experience and confidence, you can consider larger investments. Thoroughly research investment opportunities. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better decisions you can make. Don't rely on hype or emotions, look at the numbers. Emotional decisions can lead to financial pitfalls, so always base your choices on solid data. Analyze the potential return on investment, understand the risks involved. Every investment comes with its own set of risks and rewards, so weigh them carefully. Build a strong credit score. Your credit score is a reflection of your financial health and responsibility. A good credit score gives you access to better loan terms and interest rates. This can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Pay your bills on time and keep your credit utilization low. Consistent, timely payments and low credit usage are key to maintaining a high credit score. Seek advice from financial experts. They can offer insights and strategies that you might not have considered. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Financial matters can be complex, and there's no shame in seeking guidance. Financial advisors can provide personalized guidance based on your specific situation. Their expertise can help you navigate the complexities of good debt and make informed decisions.
Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Debt doesn't have to be a burden. By understanding the difference between good and bad debt, you can use it as a stepping stone to financial freedom. Start by analyzing your spending habits. Create a cash flow statement. Identify areas where you can reduce bad debt. Explore opportunities for good debt that can generate income and secure your future. Remember, the path to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay disciplined, and never stop learning. The rewards will be well worth the effort. You have the power to change your financial future. Start today.